First backpacking trip back in a while.
So raw.
Do you want to explain what the word raw means?
So, the word raw is quite literally just like an outlook on life, I would say. It's a perspective, a motivation, drive, one would say.
Yeah, is that what that means?
It's how you look at life, how you take every step. To just think like, is this raw? And you choose to raw dog life, and if it's not it, you know?
Gotcha.
That's honestly how I think about life. Taylor, realistically, what movie did you like better?
I love this stuff.
You like the state of my laces?
Bye, Riley. Oh, there's a tree there.
Really?
What?
Are you sure?
Who put
Pretty
that
sure.
there?
Y'all see the green sunset? That is so green.
It's actually so raw.
But purple is just blue, so
I was just screaming raw.
blue.
Purple is
How raw on a scale of 1 to 10?
Depends on if you're RGB or
25.
Yeah. It's actually so raw.
I'd agree with that.
foil.
Okay.
Yep.
It's so cute. Oh, there's someone. There's some.
Oh, you guys laying in the...
Hey.
Aha.
Oh yeah. Oh, had some crazy memories in this spot.
Do we want to set up and then hike up to watch the sunset?
Sure.
I got these two. Well, actually, I got over this rock here. Oh, this is great. Hey, no. This is why you don't pack your shelter at the bottom of your bag if you can help it. We all thinking no tarp tonight?
is there a certain kind of knot that you tie?
I just so you. Here, I'll show you as an example, and you can do on the other one. Which one's you need this one? That one? The one hole.
Room.
Whoa! Why is it so big? That's awesome! I'm definitely getting after the sunrise.
The hammock's too tight.
Right there?
Why not?
Okay, let me see. Yeah, you can say.
Is it green, David? We're coming. Oh my gosh.
See? It's so green.
Wow.
Wow, what a beautiful shade of green.
So why is the sun green, David?
It's green. Why is that question? Why is the ocean blue?
And the moon's still out.
Why is water blue?
Because that's normal.
Why is grass green?
Because that's also normal. Run, Riley, run!
Oh my days! That is the rawest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Isn't that sick?
Oh! Oh!
Tonight nope, that's definitely not the right way.
Guys, we made
My bad.
Oh god.
My bad.
Oh, we went the wrong one?
Ow. Hi, Riley.
Did we actually go on the wrong one?
Hi there.
Hi there.
We did. Caleb!
I said my bad.
Caleb, you're supposed to be our fearless leader.
I was fearless. I took us into the unknown. Fearlessly. And then realized that we couldn't continue into the unknown. Keep going. Down through the hole.
Alright, time to make my bed.
Home sweet home. Me too. I might need to move my hammock.
Oh.
I doubt anyone will take it. I'm worried about my phone. But if you need to go now, I can walk.
Riley,
I'll get into my sleeping bag. I'm not getting out.
Oh.
fire.
I wasn't talking about this.
You just sounded like me.
I'm not gonna do this without your permission.
Sure, I got.
What's that possible?
It's what all people do.
Big fought.
Oh my gosh, that's so hot.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but
I've eaten a worm.
he
A
was
worm
out of
tasted
work
way
the
better than
next
this.
day.
We eat the worm.
I would prefer to eat.
Oh, that dog.
Will someone make me vanilla chai? Taylor, whenever Taylor gets done going.
It might hurt.
Wow, you're a real sweet talker.
I don't know how to respond to that.
I don't think
You're welcome.
Chai, but I just
Like,
can't
did he actually just say that?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is, but
it's a week.
Comments time.
You don't get it from eating bugs though.
put it on your tool bag.
Actually blind in my left eye.
Dang it, guys.
Why are you cooking a tiny
What'd you say?
tree?
The Taylor what?
I think that's one of the best questions I've ever gotten. Why are you cooking a tiny tree? This stuff too, if you make a tea out of it, is literally like,
Are you gonna poison me?
no, I've had tea from it before.
I've already been poisoned today,
It
Caleb.
literally
I don't
cured
need
me
to
in
be
like
poisoned
an
twice.
hour of sickness.
Oh,
But it's literally like an anti.
does that have electrolytes? Nice. Good work, man.
I bet it is.
Well, okay, when you're standing up and looking, it looks pretty good, and then when you're laying down looking, it's like majestic.
Yeah, I know. My dad hates it. He thinks I should tear it down.
Do this.
I think they do make hammocks.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That means they're bright.
In there. Like Chick-fil-A or the local places need help.
Yeah, me too. For work, a good video and photo.
Yeah, I might ask for advice. 6,800. Is that not enough?
1,000, you could get a pretty decent one.
Maybe I'll just do, but not a lot easier.
Oh, nothing like the sun coming up in the morning. Where's Riley when you need him for the raw?
The word raw is quite literally just like an outlook on life.
She's gonna call. Like and subscribe.
You tell him, David. But
And figure out what typically goes
Y'all are working on everything?